In this tutorial, we will learn about writing output to the console in JavaScript using the console.log method. This is the first step in learning any programming language, as it allows us to see the results of our code. So, let's get started. Here, we've written a simple line of code that will print the string hello, world, to the console. The console.log is a function provided by JavaScript that allows us to print output to the console. As you can see, the text hello, world, is printed to the console. This is the output of our code. Now, let's try printing a variable to the console. In this example, we first declare a variable called greeting and assign it the value hello, again. Then, we use console.log to print the value of the variable to the console. You can see that the value of the variable greeting is printed to the console. We can also print expressions to the console. Here, we first calculate the sum of 5 and 10 and assign it to the variable sum. Then, we print the value of sum to the console. The sum of 5 and 10, which is 15, is printed to the console. The console.log function also allows us to format our output using placeholders. Here, we use %s as a placeholder for a string. The console.log function replaces this placeholder with the value of the name variable. As you can see, the output is a formatted string where the placeholder has been replaced with the value of the name variable. That's it for this tutorial. You now know how to print output to the console in a Node.js application using the console.log function. Keep practicing and see you in the next tutorial.